Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Today we're going to be opening this box, and yeah, you can't tell which one it is, but by the thumbnail you already know that we're going to be opening the premium box for the month of September. I am so excited with this box. Yes, I actually peeked, and the reason is because I want to try on some of the products on camera and show you my first impression, I guess, or how they look or how they feel, and open it together. So I need to know if there's an item that I need before I apply my makeup, during, or just an eyeshadow palette. But yeah, we're gonna be opening this together. I also want to show you last month box. That was the one for the month of July. I didn't get to do it unboxing. My family was sick. They ended up in the hospital, so it was a crazy month for us. But I want to show you the picture of the box and which one is my favorite item. So yeah, you see that I don't have my eye makeup done, and that's because there is an eyeshadow palette there and I want to try it out with you guys. So if you guys are up for that, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Yeah, so we have the theme for this month, and it's all makeup. I don't know, what does this vibe gives you? I don't know, I feel like I'm going back maybe to the 80s. I don't know, maybe because of the colors. But it's interesting that it has a lot of makeup, and oh, they also have hair products. So that's interesting. So this is the theme for the month of September, and this one, as you know, is $35 and it has 6 items. I did the rest of my makeup except for the eyes. I did see that I got a palette. At first I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I want to try it out and see what we come up with. And so that will be our first item. It's a palette from Fenty Beauty, and you will see that each of the palettes, it's going to be a variation. Some people are going to be getting a different number, and I like it because I got my favorite color there, and my favorite color is purple. So this is Fenty Beauty. This is a snap shadow, and it's just, you could just go ahead and mix and match eyeshadow palettes, and this one retails for $25. You know, today when I was doing my makeup, I was looking at my drawer that you see back there, and I noticed a lot of great brands, and I'm like, wow, I got that one from Boxycharm, I got that from Boxycharm, and this is one of those brands that I'm like, whoa, I actually got a primer, and I even forgot I got a primer too. So I'm loving that I'm growing my collection from Fenty Beauty. And this one is, as you see, is number 2, and it's all mostly cool tone. So let's go ahead and get started with the eye makeup. So look how cute this palette is. In the back it shows you all the shades with the name, and most of them are shimmer shadows. I really like more matte, that way I feel like I'm able to play more with it. I'm gonna start warming up the crease with that shimmer in the center. I want to pack in the lid with the darkest shade here. I always like this type of brush that is really dense because it helps me pack more product, but you can use a blending brush if you like. With the smaller blending brush, blend in the crease just to remove any harsh lines. Then select your shimmer tone. I selected that cute purple and apply that in the lid area. I always like to go back and add some of those colors that I added or started, since they do tend to blend out. And then do the same thing on the bottom with a very fine brush. I used the darkest shade and applied that right underneath the waterline, and you're almost set to go. So guys, let's continue opening this box. Actually, we're just starting. So I just finished my eye makeup look. I wanted to do something really easy, but it was a pretty easy palette to work with. I wish there was more shimmers, and like I mentioned, this one retails for $25. I got the number 2, the cool tones, and all I did was actually use 2 of the matte and then just the shimmer in the center with that cute purple shade. But you could do the same thing that I did on this tutorial and use the other shimmers that are there, and it will work just the same. So what do I think about this? I really like the palette. I feel like if I was on the go, I went on a trip, I went on a road trip, I'm someplace and I needed a palette, this one is pretty affordable for you to pick up. And I love that it's pretty small, perfect to fit in your purse. And it does come with a mirror, so make it even easier that it has matte and shimmer. And I do like that they have a range of different numbers that you could choose from. So overall, for $23, I think this is pretty good. Now let's go ahead and move on with the other items that I'm going to be showing you that I'm applying it before I apply my makeup. And this is a primer. This is from Tarte, and this one, it is so light, look, but it's actually 2-in-1 on this box. And this is from Tarte. It's C Glotion Skin Perfector, and this one retails for $32. With the name alone, I was like, is it a lotion, a moisturizer, is it a primer, or a skin perfector? You could apply it as a primer. And one thing I did like that it has niacinamides. Is one of those ingredients that is a must-have on my skincare routine. So it does work to prime and also extend makeup wear. It's gonna hide imperfection, it's gonna have that glow, and it's gonna brighten. I do like that it's tinted, and yeah. So I don't know if I will say this is just like a primer, because you see once you blend it, it does feel more like a water base, but you can still feel that there's a lotion there. And it did give it a nice coverage there. You can see it on this section here. So yeah, maybe that's what I'm saying is 2-in-1, because it could be a primer, maybe it could be a BB cream, I don't know. But I do like the ingredient that it has. So if you guys have tried this, let me know below. But I'm excited for this product here. Next, let's see what else we have on this box. And we have Tan Luxe. We received Tan Luxe at brand, I don't know how long ago, on Boxy Luxe. And anytime I see Tan Luxe, I feel like it's gonna be a tan product, but this one is not. This one is called Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self Tan Serum. So it is a self tan serum, but it has hyaluronic acid. And look how cute the packaging is. It combines a high weight hyaluronic acid and extremely low molecular weight sodium hyaluronate. So that means that it had different type of hyaluronic acid here. This is interesting. I remember a few months back, I got hyaluronic acid from also my premium box. Let me tell you, that is like my go-to right now. I could see my skin looking hydrated, but it does look really, really good. So this is interesting. Another hyaluronic acid, and this one is perfect because this one, that means I could wear it during the day. So let's see how this looks. It is very water soft serum, and it has a nice scent. I really like a scent as long as it's nice on a product. So I'm excited for this. So that means, because I've been trying to stretch the other hyaluronic acid, so I think I'm gonna wear this during the day and wear the other one at night. Yeah guys, so I'm excited so far with the items I have on this box, and that's already 3 of them. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one that I'm super excited for. This is Beauty Bakery. I love Beauty Bakery products. This one's called Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. If you guys have been seeing my spoiler videos, I mentioned this palette. I was not sure which box it was gonna be in, but I'm excited to see it. Look how cute this is. Look at the packaging. The packaging reminds me of that palette we got in the base box before. And once you open it, look how cute this is. So this is a highlighter palette, and look at these shades right here. I don't have any highlighter on, so I'm gonna see which one I'm going to use. I don't know, I think I'm gonna combine Spoiler Alert and Be Sweet, these two right here. Remember this? So this is the blush that I'm wearing today. I love this. I remember this was like our first item for the premium box, and I love this. I can't believe we actually got this on Boxycharm. So I'm dabbing on both, and I'm just gonna put it right here and see. And I don't feel like I need it, because this one right here, it has that glow already. You know what, let me go ahead and swatch it. So yeah, this one retails for $38. So let's check Oh Honey. Oh, that one was a cute one. Queen Bean, spoiler alert. And then Be Sweet. So yeah, all those shades are very pretty. I'm telling you, I love this packaging. Look at this. So guys, that's 4 items I'm already excited and loving from this premium box. The next one is Complex Culture Beauty Sonic Tea Bar Facial Massager. This one retails for $58, and I am excited for this product. And the reason is because there's this master esthetician that I watch. I love her tips. I have learned so much too. I have tried newer products thanks to her, and this is Penny. She mentions this type of device that she does use, especially for the eyes, the under bags, and it's a little pricey. So seeing this here is something that it was kind of like on my list for me to get later on, and seeing that this is in the box is like a bonus for me, because this is something that I want. It's something that she recommends, and yeah, I'm excited for this. And you do need to put a battery. It doesn't come with a battery. Oh my god. And this is like super powerful, so it's just crazy to see it. And you could just make it even more intense. This is so crazy how intense this device is. So I'm loving this. So yeah guys, I'm excited for that. And the last item is from Hey Honey. I wish I'd gotten products from Hey Honey before, but this will be my first one. Oh, another honey product. And this one is a lip balm. This is a Trick and Treat Berry Lip Balm with natural tint. This one retails for $23. Oh, look at the color of that. I think I will keep this in my purse. Usually this type of products, they were coming more like you have to use your fingers to kind of like hydrate your lips, but having it this form, I stopped using it and I feel like my lips are getting drier, especially now with you have to wash your hands, you have to be careful. So I try not to use any products that you have to use their fingers. So this will be perfect. It smells super nice. It's pretty nice. It is pretty hard. I feel like it took a while for me to take it out, but I'll have to try it out without any lipstick on. But I'm excited to try this, and I like that it has a little bit of tint. This is something that's going to be going on my purse. So how much is that one? That one is $23. So now that I finished doing the unboxing, let's talk price. So this means that the retail value for this box that you see here, so everything you see here, 6 products from the premium box that cost $35 for the box. The retail value of my variation is $225. So what is the value for this box? The retail value of it is $225, but my personal value of it, I am super excited. I feel like it has been a while since I received a premium box that I'm super excited for. Usually half of it I might use, half of it I might give away, half of it I'm excited for, but this one I am impressed. I am loving this variation, and this variation is 2109 289 PM, which is premium. Yeah guys, I am loving this box. I am excited and I'm super happy for this variation. So for me, it's a really win for the September box. And for July's box, which one is my favorite? My favorite item that I received is the Wishful moisturizer. It is a lavender. This one I already had, and so I'm excited that now I have a new one. I actually gave the other one to my husband for him to try it out. It is lavender. It has like a shine to it. The scent is pretty heavy at the beginning, but then it goes away. So yeah, this one is mine. The first, I actually had this one in an unboxing that I got from Huda Beauty, and I really like this moisturizer. I actually use it day and night. It is not heavy. It is great for even oily skin. It feels heavy at first, and even with the scent, it throws you off, but once I apply it, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It moisturizes really nice. I feel like for me, certain moisturizer feels so heavy that then I see the oils coming through a few hours later, but this one, it holds really good even for oily skin. The scent is strong at first, but I do feel like it goes away. So yeah, this one is my favorite from the July premium box, and I love it because I already had it, and now I get to stock up on this moisturizer. It's called Honey Balm. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this variation. I am excited. I really love this variation. I think this one is a keeper, and I'm impressed for the September box. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe. Also, don't forget that I'm also unboxing base and also Boxy Lux, so you could guys check out those videos. So until the next video, bye.